Hello, guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl, Queen She, and I'm back to you again with another unboxing. Today, we are going to unbox my Sheena'S Boxy Charm base box. I am looking forward to see what we have in my box since they have screwed me over in my premium box. So hopefully they made up for it and put me something sweet in here. Even though this box is fairly large for a base box. Well, hey, we're going to get into it. I don't know what's in it. I haven't looked in it. So the only thing I did was cut the little tape here so with my little shank. So we're going to get started. And for my newcomers, guys, come in. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm glad to have you guys here in the Royal Palace. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell button and hit that thumbs up, guys. So whenever I do post some new videos, you guys will know. And I mean, hey, you're already here. You might as well go ahead and hit that little button and go ahead and join the family. And for all my people that are already subscribed to me, been supporting me since day one, I thank you guys so much for supporting me and follow me on this little journey here. I thank you guys. I love you guys. Again, thank you for supporting me. So we're going to get into our box, so stay tuned. So this how she comes. And if you guys want to know anything about Boxy, I will leave the information in the box, or you can check out my video that I will leave in the right hand corner for you guys, and it'll give y'all a little information on, you know, how much it costs and stuff like that. So here's my base box. Like I say, I'm surprised that it came in this big box, and it's very hairy too. So I don't know what's in it. And so, okay, this how it. Well, it's not supposed to come like this, and it's definitely not supposed to say premium. I mean, we already know I had my premium box already, but so it did come with a theme card, and it says "Treat your heart out," huh? And it doesn't have nothing in here, but I already told you guys about the news, so you check that video out as well. And yeah, huh? I got 2 premiums for the month of February, even though one was a douche. So let's see if they made up for it. So, and on the card, they normally have like the prices and stuff like that about the products and stuff like that. So they don't have that on here. So I guess maybe they will start off once they get everything, back to the way it used to be. Once they get everything squared away with, Ipsy and Boxy becoming one. So let's get into this little box. So I can't really tell you guys any pricings, but I can, tell you a little bit. I do. Okay, so the first item we have is a refreshment. From their refreshment line. It's their velvet body cream and unscented. And it says dive into rich velvety moisture for a royal glow. It nourishes and restores, quickly absorbing, non-greasy, 24-hour hydration, kind to skin. It says our sparkling clean promise, always vegan and free of parabens and phthalates and sulfates, formulated without gluten and nut allergens. Our skin-friendly products are cruelty-free, clinically allergy and dermatologist tested. Now, I have tried their refreshment line. Actually, it's through Ipsy. I've tried their refreshment line. I love it. Actually, I'll tell you, I actually got my refreshments in. So I do love their line. And I've been using their soap. So that's what I got a refreshment in. One of their refreshments from their refreshment line. And my razor heads for my razors. So I didn't have to worry about forgetting to pick up razors. So, but yeah, back to this stuff. So it is unscented, which I feel like since it's a subscription on its own, it shouldn't be in the box. But I mean, I guess maybe they want to bring people to the refreshment, more people to the refreshment line. So what a way to get, people to, know about it. Who doesn't? So, but I mean, I really prefer for it to be scented. But I mean, hey, I guess it's good for those that don't well, they can't take, scented stuff. So which is good for me because I am a caregiver. So when I do go around my clients, every client can't, stand like smells. So this would be perfect for me. When I with my client. So the next thing we have is oh, I got a belly from Natasha Denona. Oh, and it's their Cupid's. It's her Cupid one. And that's how she looks. She is gorgeous. She is gorgeous, girl. She is gorgeous. And she would have been perfect for Valentine's Day since it is Cupid, but you know. All right, so our next one is okay, it's the Beauty Bakery the Butter Hydra Silk Primer. Isn't she so cute? Isn't she so cute, girl? And I think this was my choice item for my. This was supposed to be for premium though. Yeah, this was premium. But hey, I'm not mad at you, baby. Again, I ain't mad at you. Oh, she's so cute. Look, she looks like a stick of butter. Look, she's so cute. Isn't she cute? Oh, she's so adorable. She's white. Let me see if I can block some of this glare out so you guys can really see. Isn't she cute? I see we have some. Oh, yeah, this is my premium box. It's the Ace Beauty Liquid Lipstick in Manifest. Girl, look at that package. Isn't she just screams royal? Royalty, baby. Royalty. Look at her. Look at her. Oh, so sexy. Oh, she's gorgeous. This is fit for a queen. A queen, a queen. Oh my goodness. And then it's the little cutout on the inside. It is so cute. It's actually, oh yes, it's so cute. I do see some space. I hope it's not old. I do see some space. Maybe if I shake it up. No, sometimes you gotta shake it. See, down south, baby, we shake. Okay, so she just opened up like this. Ooh, okay, she got an extra long wand and with a short dofer. I'm gonna put on my lips. I'm gonna try her. Oh, I do need some lip liner though. Yes, I got my secret garden. Look at her. Isn't she stunning? Isn't she stunning? Like, oh my god, she's so stunning. I shut the front door. Look at her, baby. Look at her. Isn't she gorgeous? Hey, they back on my friends list for now. I kind of made up for it, so I guess I won't tell them that they sent me two premiums. That'll be our little secret. Even though the other premium wasn't no premium, that was an emium animal. Ain't in my real butt. Talking about it, and they said, I don't know why. And they said, oh, I got it. I got the Ciate Royal Edition palette. Look at her. Teardrop. I wanted this palette so bad, y'all. Ooh, I wanted this palette, and look. They probably saw my video. Like, wait, hold up. We gotta make this up. She's talking about us on YouTube. Yeah, we gotta make this. We gotta satisfy her. So she give us good reviews. Look at her. I got the royal lip, the royal cheek, and I got the royal. Oh, she's so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Ooh, she's so gorgeous. Oh, la la la. And she does come with a full mirror. Oh, guys. Look at her. Oh my God, look at this. Look at her. Isn't she gorgeous? Isn't she gorgeous? She's stunning. She's stunning. Oh, look at that royal blue. Oh, yes. Guys, I got to swipe her. I got to swipe her. I swipe her royal blue, royalty, and crown. Oh, yes. I got to do throne. I don't have a king right now, so I can't do him. Look at him. Oh my goodness, look at her. I love it. I love her. I love my box. I take everything I said back from you guys' boxing. Y'all made up for it. You was late for Valentine's Day, but you made up. You made up. Guys, I love it. Love it. What y'all think? What y'all think? I can't wait to see what Queen she gets. I don't know what she got yet. I think from what I see, I think it's her. I think it's the base box that's coming for Queen She. And I said, yeah, either the base box or the premium. I got one of them in. I gotta look and see which one it is. And I'll post that up, guys. And I'm so happy. I got my fan. I got my fan. I get up and dance for y'all, but I'm clumsy. I've been knocking everything up. The last time I video, I rolled my red light trying to get up. So, guys, so yeah, this is everything in my box. I'm so happy. I mean, I'm happy. You see this, girls? I am smiling. I am happy. Finally, they have made up. They made up, so I'm happy. So anyway, guys, I thank y'all for watching, and please stay tuned for more unboxings and my Queen She versus Sheena'S boxes. Those videos is coming as soon as all my boxes get here. So we got my premium and my other premium. Oh, so y'all won't know that I'm lying. So yeah, I got two premiums, and so instead of a base and a premium, but eight. That's the one that had all the funky stuff in it. But hey, I'm I'm happy. So I can't wait to see what Queen She gets. So you guys, thank y'all for watching again. Please like and subscribe to my videos and hit that thumbs up and that bell button so you guys can always be notified whenever I get whenever I post a new video. I will see y'all in my next video, and always my queen sisters, you guys, ladies, you are royalty, and never ever forget that, and do not accept nothing less than that. I love y'all. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.